Find or read reviews that people are talking of YASHINE Automatic Pool Cleaner Swimming Pool, Powerful Suction Pool Sweeper with 16 hoses, low noise, easy assemble. Are recommended that you do not buy, unless you have read and studied this product, until you are sure that quality are acceptable, and you really want to buy. And don't forget press to subscribe, click bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Why you choose YASHINE Automatic Pool Cleaner Swimming Pool. Below are some reasons why you should choose. This automatic swimming pool cleaner can be used with a pump to automatically clean your pool without wasting time and effort, providing you with a quick and simple solution. This cleaner operates with low noise and can clean your swimming pool without creating excessive disruption. This automatic pool cleaner has large suction cups that provide powerful suction to quickly and thoroughly remove dirt, hair, sand, and other debris from all surfaces in and around your pool. And it's so quiet that it won't disturb your neighbors while in use. Large suction cups can be suitable for all shapes of pool work, and are very suitable for outdoor pools, spa pools, small pools, and other places with constant water temperature. Assembling the product is very easy. You can spend a few minutes to be able to assemble the pool cleaner successfully. You can put it into your pool and let it work to clean your pool. Our product comes with 16 hoses that you can also connect to your existing filter. The hoses are very tight and durable to prevent leaves, dirt and other debris from leaking out during the cleaning process. Suitable pump with a 1.5 to 3.0 HP, minimum 1 HP, power range. This swimming pool cleaner is built for above ground and in-ground use. Its cleaning vacuum pump has a power range between 1.0 HP and 3.0 HP. You can clean your pool more effectively by adjusting the regulating valve. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, important. Don't forget to press subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.